Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c colon and hit enter. Then type cd space c colon slash and hit enter. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.